Hi friends. I am Caesar from PS Tutelar. Friends, we need gray point in image to correct colors tone. How we can find gray point in image? We will use a blend mode for that purpose. Let's get started. First of all, create a solid color layer. Make value 25% for brightness. Value for hue is 0 and saturation is 0%. But brightness is 25%, then hit OK. Change blend mode from normal to difference. Difference blend mode subtracts. Difference blending mode takes the color with the highest brightness and subtracts from the layer with the darker color. It's mean base color minus blend color. If the base color is brighter, now we can see darker color in image. This spot or this spot is darker. Create blank layer above all layers. Mark any dark area with brush tool. Just make a circle to remember that dark area. We don't need gray solid color layer anymore. So delete it and create a levels adjustment layer. Pick gray point dropper. It will sample image to set gray point. Click inside of red circle we point out earlier. And that's boom. Delete blank layer with red circle. Here is image before with blue color tone. And here is image after correction. I hope you like this tip and trick. Hit like and subscribe if you like video. Thanks for watching.